When it comes to shape layer animation in After Effects, there are so many properties you can adjust to make simple animation to complex animations, and today we are going to take a look at one of those, which is trim path. Hello, my name is SSB Otaru and I'm standing in for Motion Digit Studio. Today we are going to take a look at how you can animate shape layer using trim path option. So pick the pen tool right here on top right here. Just draw a random shape. With your shape layer selected, you can add a trim path right from this spot. You can see it right here, or you can come down to the timeline, expand the shape layer and use the add option right here to add the trim path option, that is the trim path properties. So once you add the trim path properties like this, you expand it. Once you expand it right here, move your time indicator to 2 seconds on the timeline, then add a keyframe for the start and the end properties. Then come to the beginning right here on 0, take end properties to 0. Come to the 4th second on the timeline, add another keyframe to the start property, which is gonna be 100. If you play this, you are gonna have this simple shape animation, but we are gonna make this more exciting. So what you are gonna do is to select all the keyframes on your timeline, then right click on them, go to keyframe assistant and then select easy ease. This will give it a smooth and organic animation. You see that it is more fluid than what we had before. So you can make some couple of adjustments right here. You can select this to determine the speed, then switch to the speed graph. You right click and make sure you are editing the speed graph right here. If it is not active like this, just select the speed graph. In this case it is. Select the keyframe right here, then drag this handle inward. That will slow down. It will make the animation when it is ending come fast and then slow down. We are gonna do the same with this keyframe right here. Switch again back. In this case, I want it to start slowly and then speed up the graph before it then slow down to end. So let's play this and see how it goes. You can see how fluid that is. It will start slowly and then speed up to end. So there are a couple of things you can also do. If you adjust the keyframes, right now we are having it finish the stroke before it start going off again. So if you adjust the end property keyframe right here and move it inward, that will start going off without necessarily having to draw it all. Watch that and see. You can see it start going off. Just by adjusting the keyframes, you can add different fields to the shape layer animation. You can also use this same technique, trim path, to animate any type of shape layer like this. So thank you for watching. My name is SSB Otaru. Please, if you find this video interesting, make sure you'll hit like. It will help the algorithm suggest this video to more people. My name is SSB Otaru. Subscribe to my channel and you will have more videos on how to use After Effects to create motion graphics, stunning motion graphics, VFX and all kind of animations.